Hello students, in this video we will discuss about cube. What is the cube? Cube is nothing but cube is a cuboid whose all sides, that means length, width and height, are the same measurement. Since this is a cube whose length is a, width is a and height is also a, that means length, width and height all are same measurement, then this cuboid is known as cube. Same as a cuboid, cube have the 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges, and it has also surface area, volume, curved surface area and diagonal also. What is the formula for finding surface area, volume, curved surface area and diagonals? Now here first write surface area or total surface area or WSA, whole surface area, is equal to of cube is equal to 2 into A into A plus B into length into width plus width into height plus height into length. That means this will be A into A square, I write here, A into A plus A into A plus A into A. That means this will be A square plus A square plus A square. That means 2 into 3A square equal to 6A square. That means you can say that surface area of cube is equal to 6A square because all faces, length of all faces are same. CSA, unit of this is square unit. CSA or LSA, curved surface area or lateral surface area, this will be, if we left the top face and bottom face, then here this is the area of 6 faces, and if we left the 2 faces, top and bottom, then this is known as remaining areas of 4 faces will known as LSA or CSA. Then this will be 4 into A square unit. This is the area of only 4 faces, top and bottom have left, and this area is known as CSA or LSA. Now volume of cube is equal to same like cuboid, length into width into height. That means here A into A into A into A into A equal to A cube, and unit of this is cube unit or cubic unit. Now length of diagonal of cube is equal to root under length square plus width square plus height square. But as you know here all sides are same, so this will be A square plus A square plus A square, and this will be root under 3A square or equal to A into root under 3 unit. This is the length of diagonal of cube. Now in the next video we will discuss about surface area and volume of cylinder.